Okay, we've done a lot of blues in C to learn the patterns and to learn a lot about what we're doing. But let's take it out to some other keys besides even on the white keys. Let's go with E flat. Now, why E flat? Well, when I hold down this E flat minor 7 chord, I have a lot of the blues. And when I reach out, I have all of the blues. So, you can kind of keep a little bounce going in the left hand. I'm just doing an octave bounce. And gently just keep your fingers around that shape. And you can start to use pairs of notes and walk them. You can use single fingers. It'll sound good. Now remember your blues note. So if you put your thumb on that, see how my fingers line up on these 3 notes? I can walk through my thumb and walk these 3 fingers down. If I needed to, I could grab that, but my thumb crosses under. And I can walk it down the notes if I want. Your thumb actually works as a real nice bridge. So it behooves you to play with it a little bit as a single note melody finder, rhythm finder, percussion. Don't be afraid to play with your thumbs, you know? So the shape really makes it easy for you to jam around on the black keys. And don't forget to start doing some of those walk-ups. Chromatic. Or walk up the black keys. Little patterns. And all it takes is feel and swing to take these patterns. I'm not wiggling my hands that fast. It's all about feel. So the more that you get into the easy patterns and blues that give you a lot of feel and areas that you can play with, the more that you're going to play with them and start to feel that swing. And yes, I can play super fast in that key too and make it its own thing. Patterns in left and right hand too, like I'm following an octave in my left hand with the notes under my fingers. There's all sorts of ways you can play around with that, but get on the black keys, start to funk around, and find some cool things to do, and I'll hit you back next time.